It's a warm Sunday here in Calgary, and we wanted to make the most of it. So we planned a relaxing day outdoors. Boating, cooling off by the pool, and enjoying a picnic surrounded by nature. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enchanting Endeavors. And this is Mayurika, and our destination, the beautiful Bowness Park. As we entered the park, the sun was shining bright and warm, with families all around enjoying their Sunday. Passing by the serene green lagoon, we watched so many people out boating. We already had our plans set, so we strolled towards the boat rental office. We hired a paddle boat and slipped on our life jackets and made our way to the edge of the lagoon. Hopping in together with our son, we set off for a calm ride across the water. The cool breeze, the gentle ripples, and the quiet surroundings made it such a peaceful and refreshing time. The steady rhythm of paddling felt both fun and soothing, almost like gliding through the green mirror. With every turn, we got to soak in the beauty of the park from the heart of the lagoon. After boating, we took a refreshing walk through the lush green parts of the park. Soon we came across the picnic areas and couldn't resist spreading out our mat under the cool shade of the tree. With our lunch laid out, it was a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the family picnic. All round us, families and groups were sharing the same joy, making the park feel alive with laughter and togetherness. After a wholesome lunch, we made our way to the wading pool. The afternoon sun was blazing, so splashing around in the cool water felt just perfect. We spent hours playing, laughing, and simply relaxing by the poolside. The best way to beat the heat. To end the day, we enjoyed a long shaded stroll by the Bow River. Watching people cool off in the water and canoeing along the flow. After all the fun, our little one was completely exhausted, and it was time to head back home. It truly was a day beautifully spent together at Bowness Park. If you enjoyed coming along with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enchanting Endeavors for more family adventures.